Crypto fam. What if I told you that making passive crypto income just got stupid easy? Imagine generating cryptocurrency without dropping thousands on expensive mining rigs, without wrestling with complicated hardware, and without watching your electricity bill skyrocket. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, welcome to the future. Welcome to virtual mining that fits in your pocket. The crypto world is about to get turned upside down, and I'm here to show you exactly why. MineX isn't just another crypto project. It's a revolutionary platform that's going to rewrite the rules of digital mining. Picture this. Instead of spending your life savings on massive mining equipment that sounds like a jet engine in your living room, you can now mine cryptocurrency using nothing more than your smartphone. Virtual GPUs that start generating money the moment you set them up. No technical degree required. No engineering background needed. Just pure, simple earning potential right at your fingertips. Let's talk about the magic behind this platform. MineX has engineered a tokenomics model that's so smart, it'll make Wall Street analysts do a double take. We're looking at a massive 1 billion MX token ecosystem, strategically designed to benefit users while maintaining long-term sustainability. But here's where it gets wild. When you make purchases in the app, the revenue doesn't just sit around. It's like a living, breathing financial organism. Half of every purchase gets reinvested directly into the mining pool, keeping the entire system robust and dynamic. Every single week, 25% of the tokens get burned, which means potentially increasing the value of your holdings. The remaining quarter fuels marketing and platform growth. It's not just a project, it's a carefully orchestrated financial symphony. Now, let's dive into the fun part. Your mining arsenal. Imagine building your crypto empire like a video game, where you've got 6 different GPU types and 2 powerful boosters at your disposal. Start with 1 GPU, and with a multi-GPU booster, you can unlock multiple mining slots and turn your passive income into a serious money-making machine. But here's a pro insider tip. Strategy is everything. Buy a new GPU without the right booster, and you'll only recover half the value of your previous setup. Think like a chess grandmaster, not a crypto rookie. The earning potential is where things get seriously exciting. You could start with a basic GPU at just 500 MX, generating a 22 GHz hash rate with a 104-day return on investment. Want to level up? Advanced GPUs range from 2,000 to 70,000 MX, with return periods between 76 days. But here's the critical piece of advice. These numbers are in MX tokens, not dollars. Your actual return is a dance with market performance. There's a pulse-pounding reward system that keeps you engaged. Your GPUs mine continuously, but you've got a 36-hour window to claim rewards before they vanish. Want to automate this high-stakes game? Grab a PowerFlow booster, and it'll handle the claiming process for you automatically. And for those social butterflies and network marketing wizards, the Referral Program is like finding a secret level in a video game. Earn 5% from your referrals' mining rewards, an additional 1.5% from their friends' earnings, and unlock bonus tokens for referrals over 1,000 MX. Getting started is easier than ordering a pizza. Connect your TON wallet, buy MX tokens, transfer them to the app, purchase your first GPU, and boom, you're mining. But remember, success in the crypto world isn't about luck. It's about strategy. Monitor token prices, claim rewards consistently, invest in smart boosters, and always diversify. Looking ahead, Q4 2024 is going to be a game changer. New mining pools, additional tokens, expanded diversification opportunities. MineX isn't just building a platform, they're constructing the future of digital finance. The crypto landscape moves at light speed, and opportunities like this, they don't come knocking twice. This isn't just another project. This is a potential revolution in virtual mining, a paradigm shift in how we think about passive income. Are you ready to transform your financial future? Are you prepared to step into a world where your smartphone becomes a money-generating powerhouse? Drop a comment below. Are you all in? Skeptical? Pumped? Let me know. And if this video just blew your mind, smash that like button, and let's start this crypto revolution together. Stay hungry, stay informed, and let's make some crypto magic happen.